And we're back! Nagbabay po tayo ngayon sa Tambayan ni Kabayan sa Bahrain. At syempre, mga katambayers, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Juffair Beauty Center, kung saan ako, may introduce lang po ako, disclaimer lang po we will be having our social distancing as per our ministry in connection with our COVID policy ng ministry. At syempre, nako, hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa mga katambayers. Kakawain ko na po ang ating consultant dermatologist, none other than Dr. Eman! Wow! Dr. Eman, welcome to Tambayan ni Kabayan sa Bahrain. And of course, nako, like what I've said before, Dr. Eman is our consultant dermatologist of Juffair Beauty Center. Now, Dr. Eman, this is the time to shine. We will now be asking you, our Glam Time Wednesday, we'll be asking different consultant dermatologists and other staff and members of Juffair Beauty Center on the different treatments of the center itself. Now, it's your turn to shine, Dr. Eman. Now, this is the first question for tonight.
Welcome.
What is the effect of those trends?
You know, we think as we age, the gravity affects our body. There is a downward direction of our face, our body, the sides of the mouth, the sides of the eyes. So when we are using the threads, we are returning this down descent to and repositioning the tissues to its original place.
So it's like it's not painful, Doc. Am I correct? Is it painful or not painful? This kind of
actually, we use local anesthesia, and we use usually also some materials inside the local anesthesia. We add them to the local anesthesia to make the procedure almost not painful.
So, guys, the procedure is not that painful. There will be some pricking, but not that so painful like other dermatologists outside Juffair Beauty Center. And of course, to all our kababayans here tonight, nako, we will be having different questions for Dr. Eman. So if you have any question, please put down in the comments below. So at least Dr. Eman can answer it for you as much as she can. And of course, Dr. Eman, another question. How many hours does the procedure take?
This this question can be shifted to how many minutes it will take, not hours.
How many
Fitting. Yeah, you can say with the anesthesia, not more than 30 minutes. The procedure itself, only 15 minutes.
15 minutes will have a difference between before and after effect, courtesy of Dr. Iman, our consultant dermatologist. And of course, Dr. Iman, is it under general anesthesia?
No, it is different from surgery or plastic surgery. It is totally under local anesthesia fitting.
Wow! So alam mo na mga kababayan, I was just talking Tagalog, Dr. Iman. So alam mo na mga kababayan, kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng magandang kinabukasan yung Tesla ngayong nadarating na Kapaskuhan, ako, ito na po pagkakataon po ninyo magkaroon ng surgical threads for face and neck lifting courtesy of Dr. Eman and Juffair Beauty Center. And for more information, ako, you can contact, ano po yung number? Pakisigaw po. 133 Correct! Ganon! And of course, nako, magbabalik po tayo ng saglit ha, ng very light. Dito po yan sa Juffair Beauty Center. Roll VTR! Ay, dito tayo ng very light. Ay, ito lang siya. Ayan. This Okay, what's your request? Okay, I'll do it for you. No, kamusta? I thought, nako. Si Marna talaga, nako. Doctor, we are back with Dr. Eman, our consultant dermatologist of Juffair Beauty Center. We stop at the after the question, what is the, yan tuloy, na walang very light. Ulitin natin ng very light ha. Ito na nga, ang tanong ng bayan kanina, is it under general anesthesia? Ang sabi po ni Dr. Iman, hindi po siya under ng general anesthesia. Ito po ay, it will be non-painful, not that painful, pero makikita niyo po ang kaibahan ng before and after. Now, this is the sixth question. Dr. Iman, how many months the effect stays?
Look, Beating, we have two effects. The lifting effect will vanish after 6 months, but at that time, the threads will dissolve inside our skin, and the effect of collagen production will remain for 2 years.
Collagen production, 2 years yun. So ito na nga. Dr. Iman, just to have a brief information of what we're talking about, for all our kabayans who just came now in our live video, we're talking about the surgical threads for face and neck lifting, courtesy of our consultant dermatologist, Dr. Iman. So, like what she said that the first step will take for 6 months, but the after effect, which is the collagen, will take 2 years. So you don't need to worry about the money that you paid for this because it will last for 2 years. Like that. And of course, this is the next question, Dr. Iman.
Yeah. Immediately.
Sorry. There's no room for latecomers. Once you finish your production, your non-surgical treatment, the treatment itself, you can go directly to work.
No
Sorry, no sick leave. So if you want to have a beauty effect, you don't need to have a sick leave. You can go directly to work. And of course, a follow-up question, not in here, Doc. For the people who wants to have for this treatment, is it good for guys, male and female, or only for female?
Of course, for both.
For both. So what is the age that can start?
Uh, Usually starting from 30.
30.
50, it is questionable. Either we need surgery with a plastic surgeon, or the threads may be effective. We have to reassess.
So there will be an assessment before you have this procedure. So the treatment will start from the age of 30 until 50. But we're checking if the treatment will affect or take effect if you want to do this treatment. Ang hirap mag-English, mems. Alam niyo yan, mems. This is the last question for this evening, Dr. Eman.
I want to add something.
Yes.
I adore the Filipino community and the Filipino culture. They are very clean, very tidy.
Thank you so much, Doc. Clever daw tayo. Tidy. Alam mo na, mems. Eto na nga, ang last question natin for Dr. Eman. Dr. Eman, am I beautiful? Charos, not that. What age we get benefit for this predation? I think I asked this question already, no? So what age? So the age will be from 30 up until 50.
Yes.
Follow-up question on this. If the patient wants to have the procedure, but they are less than 30 or more than 50, are we allowing it?
To be honest, Piting, each case should be assessed individually. Some patients in their 30s, they don't need the procedure. Some patients in their 40s, they don't need the procedures. Some patients less than 30, they need. But when I told you from 30 to 50, this is the most of the people who need the procedure.
So mga kababayan, sabi nga po ni Dr. Iman, ang procedure po ng surgical for face and neck lifting, depende po yun sa skin type po ninyo. Hindi po nangangahulugan na kung 30 na po kayo, kailangan nyo po, depende po yun. So I'm telling them, Dr. Iman, that if you reach the age of 30, we need to have an assessment. It's up to the doctor if you need the procedure or not. They will not push you if you don't need. They will push you if it's needed. Okay? And of course, Dr. Eman, this is the final question. Where is Juffair Beauty Center located?
at Oasis Mall.
Oasis Mall.
Juffair.
Yeah. And they're open from 10 a.m. up until 10 p.m. And if you have any question, you can drop down the comments below. So at least our specialists, doctors, and staff here in Juffair Beauty Center will assist you and will reply to your questions. Dr. Eman, thank you so much for this wonderful night.
I enjoyed the interview with you.
Nag-enjoy si Dr. Iman. Alam niyo na yan, mga Mims. And of course, Dr. Iman, do you have anyone to thank to?
Sorry?
Do you have anyone to thank or to greet in Dambayan ni Kabayan? And
I want to greet all the people who are helping us today, Mr. Saeed and Nurse Brittany.
yes! Thank you so much, Dr. Iman. Thank you so much. Eto na nga. Mga katambayers, ladies and gentlemen, consultant dermatologist of Juffair Beauty Center, Dr. Eman. We'll be right back for a few seconds so we can introduce you the different treatment and the price for this treatment here at Juffair Beauty Center. Add only.
You guys,
And of course, eto na nga, nagbabalik tayo sa tambayan ni Kabayan sa Baring. Nagustuhan ko yung chikahan na ni Dr. Eman. And of course, Dr. Eman and I are back here in tambayan ni Kabayan sa Baring. Dr. Eman is discussing a while ago the different treatments aside from the surgical threads for facial neck lifting. So Dr. Eman, may I know or can we know what other treatments Juffair Beauty Center can offer?
treating. We offer here treatment like Botox injection for axillary armpit hyperhidrosis and for wrinkles of the face and neck. We also offer fractional CO2 laser for scars of the face and for rejuvenation. We also offer Q-switched laser for treatment of tattoos and treatment of freckles due to exposure to sun. We introduce, we can provide also treatment, chemical peeling for acne, for pigmentation, for rejuvenation. Also, what else? We provide injection of Profilo. This is for brightening the skin and for hydration of the skin. We provide derma roller, derma pen, and mesotherapy for face and hair. We inject PRP for the face and scalp also. What else? We have.
We also have dental treatment here, aside from the dermatologist.
I will leave Dr. Summer to talk about
next Wednesday. Ganon yun.
But you were asking me a very private question. How old I am?
Oh yeah. Wait, mga katambayers, meron akong super private question na tinanong kay Dr. Eman kung how old is she now. I know it's not unethical to ask a lady about their age. Dr. Iman allowed me to tell everyone what is her age right now. So, Dr. Iman, can we know what is your age?
I am 51 years old. I am like your grandma.
51 years old, Mims. Tingnan naman po, look at her face. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. Thank you so much, Dr. Iman, for giving us the inspiration to be young again. So at the age of 51, look at her face, mashallah.
To be honest, I am taking care of my skin. I am using the routine daily program, also doing some procedures for myself to make my skin looks beautiful.
Mhm. So, Dr. Iman, can I ask one question? Like homemade treatment that you can do for yourself, so at least you can take care of yourself. Like one tip for us Filipinos.
One tip, I can give you home masks that you can do it by yourself.
Yes.
You can use white honey, because white honey contains hyaluronic acid, which is responsible for absorbing the water inside the skin. This makes your skin very
Tight, like that.
not tight, but I mean very
Soft.
elastic, very soft.
Yes.
Exactly, very soft. Okay. The other thing that we can use, acid fruit masks.
Acid fruit mask.
Yeah, we can use this from either from lemon, orange, apple, sour milk. Okay, we can use any of them and take the juice and put it over the face for about 15 minutes twice weekly. This will exfoliate and make the skin peels off.
So that is for every morning or every night, though?
No, twice weekly is enough.
Twice weekly. So you do it either on a Monday and on a Sunday on the before you sleep, 15 minutes before
Or
you sleep.
on Wednesday during your program.
Wednesday during our program. So alam mo na mga memes. So Doc Iman, thank you so much for providing us all the helpful tips and of course all the procedure that you are providing our tambayans or our kabayans here in Bahrain. And of course, Dr. Iman, we owe you big times if our face and our body will have a different shape because of Juffair Beauty Center. So what are you waiting for mga katambayers? Punta na dito sa Juffair Beauty Center, Oasis Mall. First floor, they're open from 10 a.m. up until 10 p.m. At syempre, you will see Dr. Iman or you will see more of Dr. Iman here at the center. Thank you so much, Dr. Iman. Nako, ito na nga. So we will have this commercial, not commercial, but I will be informing you about LBC. Nako, ito na. Eto na nga ang ating partner, mga katambayers. Ngayon, eto na nga po, dahil nalalapit na po ang mga Pasko. Ilang Pasko meron tayo? Siya isa lang talaga. Eto na nga, bago natin sabihin po ito, alam niyo po ba ang presyo or the price of surgical threads for face and neck lifting? The price for this procedure will start from 60 dinars. Ayon, 60 po ang price ng surgical threads for face and lifting. Ito po ay kabayan offer po natin. At ito po ay included na po yun ng
Free consultation and file open.
free consultation and file open. Ulitin natin yun.
Free consultation and file open.
Yun na nga yun. For as low as 60 dinars, you will have your free consultation and file open. Saka yung treatment po. Ayun. For all national, not only kabayan. So if you have any boyfriend, husband, girlfriend, or wife that wants to have this kind of treatment and non-kabayans, nako, this is open for all nationalities. But we have different kabayan offers courtesy of Juffair Beauty Center. All of this will start from 60 dinars onwards, courtesy of Juffair Beauty Center. And we're back na nga dito sa LBC. You know, mga kabayan, mga katambayers, ito po ang LBC natin. Ang LBC po ay nagbibigay po sila ng extension sa ating air cargo and sea cargo promo. Ngayon, nakikita niyo po sa commercial po natin, August 25 lang po siya. Ngayon, extended na po siya up until October 25, 2021. Ang kailangan na pong gawin ay tumawag po sa aming hotline number na 161-95063 or mag-message po sa Facebook page po ng LBC na LBC Express/Bahrain. And of course, Prices for air cargo includes 5 kilo airbags for only 16 BD for Manila, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And of course, they are having walang per kilo, walang? Anong walang? Ang slang mo. Walang per kilogram per kilometer at air rebuild charges. And of course, ang sea cargo po natin, they will start from 45 dinars para po sa LBC Kabayani deal po natin. Junior box plus extra large box. Nako, pasok yan sa ating kapaskuhan. Kaya na pa hinintay nyo, tawag na sa 161-950-60 or mag-message sa aming Facebook page na LBC Express/Baharin. Dahil dito sa LBC, we like to move it. Iyan, Dr. Eman. Dr. Eman, thank you so much for having us here in Juffair Beauty Center, and we will see more of Dr. Eman in the coming days. So what are you waiting for? Contact
1339933.
1339933. Or Instagram at Juffair.center. Nako, makikita niyo yung busesan niyo ng puya na bibigyan namin kayo ng discount sa LBC pag naraman niyo kung sino ba ang behind dun sa boses na yon. I'm telling about they need to know what is the name of the person behind the voice. I will give them a discount for LBC. So you need to know the name of that person. And of course, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga tumangkilik dito sa Tambayan ni Kabayan. Ako po pala ang inyong Katambayers dito sa Bansang Brain, Piting Reyes na naghatid ng iba't ibang balita at impormasyon para sa inyo mga Katambayers. Dahil dito sa Tambayan ni Kabayan, kayo ang bida. Paalam! Bye!